Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Binance Coin, as the BNB is going to have a really very big event on 15th of July. And if we visit the coinmarketcal.com, it is mentioned there. And if we visit the Twitter, then on asking about the burning of the coins, the Champeng Zhao, who is the CEO of Binance, replied that this is around at 15 of this month, and this is the verified account of the CEO of Binance. Now, if we watch on the live chart, and then on the daily chart, the price action moved only 9%. It is surged only 9% after the tweet, and this move is normal because the price action was already moving at the support, and we were expecting that like every time the price action, whenever it is moving at the support, it is moving upwards to hit the resistance level to have to make another attempt for the breakout. Now, first of all, before moving to the next charts, I would like to recall my previous pattern that I shared with you guys on the YouTube as well and on the Tradingview as well. That was BNB with Bitcoin pair, and this chart was on 2 week, the long-term chart that I shared on September 2019, where I revealed that the price action of BNB is forming. Even the price action had formed a complete bullish bad pattern, and at that time the price action was entered in this potential reversal zone. This is the first leg, and after that we have the retracement between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have the projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and this is the second confirmation. This was the first confirmation, and this is the second confirmation of the bullish bad pattern. Then we need the retracement between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, and we can see that the price action is entered between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, as per Fibonacci sequence, I predicted that the price action should move up to this level, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action moved a little bit up and moved down again in the potential reversal zone. At this time, the price action is still moving in the potential reversal zone, and this is on the live chart. We can see this move, that the price action is still moving in this potential reversal zone that starts from 19992 satoshis and ends up to 16412 satoshis, and our sell targets can be 28530 satoshis up to 41345 satoshis. So this trade can be up to a 152% profit potential trade, but this is really very big event. If the price action will be triggered due to this event, we can expect, because this is a big event of coin burning, so if the price action will be triggered due to this event, then we can expect maybe the price action will also cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. However, if the price action will be not able to cross up this level, or will be not able to move up to this level at least, then we can also expect that if the coin will be burned, then definitely the circulating supply will be decreased, and due to the supply and demand, that is a normal rule of the market, the price action can be moved up to this level very easily. That will be supportive for the price action because this pattern is really very solid. We can see that after initial leg, it is retraced exactly between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci, and then projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci, then retraced between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci. However, we should set this level, this maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, as our stop loss, because if it will be broken down, then the price action may move more down to form the bullish crab pattern. However, I'm expecting that we can see that since a long period of time, when I posted this chart almost a year back, the price action is still moving within this potential reversal zone. So it is a clear indication that the price action has found a really very strong support, at this potential reversal zone. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to cross down or break down this potential reversal zone. However, this should be our stop loss. Now, for the people who want to trade a BNB with US dollar pair, the BNB has formed a bullish gauntlet pattern. This was the bullish bat pattern that the price action has formed on the weekly chart, and on the daily chart it has formed a bullish gauntlet pattern on the monthly chart. First, it formed this bullish gauntlet pattern, the smaller one. Then it formed another bullish, the bigger one, bullish gauntlet pattern. You can see this was the initial leg. This is also initial leg. Here the price action is moved or retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Here the price action also retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. The exact retracement is 0.775 retracement. Then the price action here in this gauntlet projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And same as like this move, the price action is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Okay, and after that, the price action is retraced between, if we watch it here first, then the price action is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, like it was retraced here. And this was the final confirmation of the bullish gauntlet pattern, and the price action turned very strong bullish and provided a very good, huge profit. And same as like this move, the price action again retraced back. And this was the month of March when the markets were moving down, and with all the markets, the price action turned really very strong bullish and spiked even beyond this potential reversal zone. But on the very next candlestick, the price action retraced back in the price in this potential reversal zone. Therefore, we can ignore this extra spike, and we can consider that this is the perfect bullish gauntlet pattern. And since after mid of March, the price action is moving within this potential reversal zone sideways. So this potential reversal zone starts from $17.67 and ends up to $11.71. And our Fibonacci projection, the sell targets can be from, this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, like we had the sell targets here from A to D leg, from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish gauntlet. This can be realistically achievable targets, and our sell targets can be from $22.36 up to $33.62. So this can be our sell targets. However, if the price action will be able to cross up this level, and on the Bitcoin chart, this level 0.786, because this is a really very big hurdle for the price line. Whenever the price line forms any harmonic pattern, then this level of 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection becomes a very good and strong resistance for the price line, and more than 80% chances are that whenever the price action crosses up this level, it turns or starts more powerful bullish than the bullish rally than the previous one. Therefore, we can expect if the price action will be able to cross up this level, then it can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one, and even it can go for the higher than the previous highest price ever in the history of the BNB coin as well. So this is our sell targets. I will also mention these targets in the video's description as well. You can find the targets from there, and I will also publish these charts on the Tradingview and on the different platforms where you are following me. You can find those charts over there as well, like Steemit, Hive, and on PublishOx and other platforms as well. So this was the update so far by the price action of BNB, the Binance coin. In this case, in both cases even, I would suggest to make this potential reversals on strictly as your stop loss, because in this case, if the price action will cross down this level or break down this potential reversals on, then it can go for the bullish butterfly pattern. And in this case of the bad pattern, if the price action will break down this level, then it can go for the bullish crab pattern, and then that can be from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That will be a really very long leg, but I'm not expecting as that much bearish move by the price action, as all the signals and all the patterns are in favor of bullish move, and we have a really very great event on 15 that is expected on 15th of July. So this was the update so far. If you like the video, I hope that you have liked the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, do share my videos, and do share your comments with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.